Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unveil the miraculous benefits of cinnamon. So are you ready to dive into a comprehensive overview? Let's get started. Cinnamon, known as the spice of life, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary delights. But did you know that this humble spice packs a powerful nutrient punch too? First and foremost, cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. These little warriors fight free radicals in our bodies, reducing cell damage and lowering the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Moving on, cinnamon also has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It helps ease inflammation, thereby combating conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Plus, it may even aid in the prevention of certain age-related disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Now let's talk about blood sugar control. Cinnamon has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable tool in managing blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those who want to regulate their sugar intake. But wait, there's more. Cinnamon has been shown to possess anti-microbial properties, which means it can help fight off harmful bacteria and infections. It can also freshen your breath and promote oral health. And that's not all. This wonder spice may support healthy weight management by boosting metabolism and curbing cravings. Plus, it's a delicious and guilt-free addition to your meals and beverages. So how can we incorporate cinnamon into our everyday lives? Well, you can add it to your morning coffee, sprinkle it onto oatmeal or yogurt, or even use it to flavor your baked goods. The possibilities are endless. To sum it up, cinnamon is an incredible spice that offers a wide range of health benefits. From its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to its ability to support blood sugar control and weight management, it truly is a powerhouse of goodness. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to uncover the miraculous benefits of cinnamon. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.